kitchen today, and today I've made a fried tongue. You can always watch my channel and you will find a tongue gravy as well. So for now, let's begin with this recipe. Check it out. Alright, so friends, I have got some sliced tongue here. I've cooked this tongue for at least 15 minutes on medium heat. It's not fully cooked. At this point, I'm gonna add the red cooking wine. So red wine goes in here. 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, and half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add salt, 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper powder, and the ginger garlic paste. I will make this a good mix. So that's it. And now I will keep this for marinating for at least half an hour, and then we'll get back to you. Right, so friends, it's been half an hour and it's ready. So let's begin with the frying. So the frying pan is nice and hot. I will add enough oil to fry the tongue. So oil is nice and hot. Fry the tongue on low medium heat. Frying tongue on low medium heat and for 6 minutes. Okay, so in 6 minutes, time to flip the tongue. And now after flipping the tongue, I will fry for another 6 minutes, and then we're done. 6 minutes, and let me flip the tongue once more. So after flipping the tongue, again I will fry it for another 1 minute, and then we are done. There's a good aroma of the black pepper and the red wine. It's really delicious. I've tried this recipe many a times. So a few more seconds to go. Alright, it's been 1 minute, and we'll take the tongue. There's a good aroma of the black pepper and the red wine. So tongue is here. Fry the second batch as well. So same again 6 minutes. And then again on the flip side 6 minutes, and then again 1 minute. So we're going on the same process. So we'll fry the tongue, and we'll be back with you. So finally our fried tongue recipe is now ready, and it looks really yummy. There's a lot of twist in this recipe, adding red wine and of course the black pepper. So now if you have liked this video, please go ahead and hit the red button below, and please like and share. Thanks for watching.